Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a credit card on your Amazon mobile app. So without any delay, let's get right into the video. First, open the Amazon app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap on the account icon at the bottom. Then there you'll see account. Click on account. Next, tap on your payments under the payment method section. Now here you'll see all the linked credit cards. I don't have any credit cards linked, so you won't see any of them, but you'll see your credit card in your account in the wallet section. Find the one you want to remove and tap on it. You'll see an option to delete the card. Just tap that and confirm when prompted. Once you confirm, the card will be removed from your account. Before you delete your credit card account, just a couple of important things to keep in mind. If you have any active subscriptions, pending orders or Amazon Prime linked to the card, make sure to update your payment method first. You don't want any payment to fail. And if you are removing your only payment method, make sure to add a new card before deleting it, or you won't be able to make purchase until you add a new payment option. And that's it. Now you know how to delete a credit card from your Amazon account in 2024. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.